Hi everyone, it's Adam from VCDS. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable the video in motion in MMI 3G Plus unit. To do that I'm gonna use the VCDS cable. As far as I know you can also use the Carista or OBD11, but I'm the big fan just of the VCDS, so I'm gonna show you how to enable on that way. Please do not use that feature while you're driving, because if you're gonna have an accident and your car insurance will check that you was watching the videos on the MMI screen, you might have quite big problems. Right, so we're gonna jump to the car right now. I'm gonna start the computer and show you step by step how to enable that feature. Please also check the links in the description below the video, as there will be a link to the manual page where you have the described step by step on the VCDS side how to do that. Alright guys, we're all set up now. The last step is just to reboot the MMI in 3G Plus unit. Simply press the mini central knob and the top right silver button, and the MMI, one more time, and the MMI should reboot. And now you are ready to use that feature, but please do not drive and watch the movies or some video musics. It will be safer for you and for other road users. If you don't know how to convert the videos from the internet to play on the MMI screen, please check the links below the video, because we have already prepared the manual how to do that. Also, it can be useful when you gonna try to connect, for example, the Xiaomi Mi TV stick to have the YouTube or Netflix or mobile phone mirror screen onto this by using the AMI port, which is in the glove box. I think I'm gonna record that video for you quite soon. Right, thank you guys for watching. I hope the tutorial will help you with this. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to receive more useful tutorials. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next movie.